In today's video, I'll show you how to make French beaded earrings that will take you through all 4 seasons with one simple design. You don't want to miss this. Welcome back to the Bead Flora studio, my beautiful people. My name is Fen Lee, author, bead instructor, and designer here at the Bead Flora studio. Today's design is the best of 2 worlds, incorporating traditional jewelry wire wrapping techniques along with French beading. I have a video on my channel on how to make wrap loops, so check that video out if you are new to wrap loops. If you are a French beader and used to working with wire, you have no problem with it at all. Materials and tool lists are in the description, so let's go. To get started, we need to have some beads already strung on a spool of 24 gauge silver copper core wire. And I have about 3 inches here. And let's leave the top basic wire to be about 1.5 inches. And we're going to make a 3 bead basic. And let's make the twisted wire and the loop to be pretty tiny. We don't need a lot of wire, and we don't want to waste wire if we're just going to be needing just a little bit of it. About 1/2 inch for the twisted wire and loop. I'm going to twist maybe about 4 times is good. We don't need too much. It's a small leaf. And the pattern calls for pointed tops, rounded bottoms, 5 rows. And if you are liking this tutorial so far, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want more fun tutorials like this. So with the working wire, we're going to end it here, maybe wrap around twice, and then we're going to cut. Now take your pliers and tuck this in here. And then with any of the twisted wire, undo any twists. That's about 3 twists here for me. And we're going to snip right at the base here so it becomes 1 bottom wire. And let's tuck again. Now let's undo the knot here. And I'm going to string some beads right on the top here. Okay, so let's bend this along the back. And I just don't want this wire to snag your hair or your clothes while you're wearing them. Okay, so take this wire here and wrap around the base a couple times so that it forms a coil around, right like this. And then we're going to cut again and then tuck. And I'm just going to string on a contrasting bead right here. And now we're going to make the wrap loop, and in addition to your cutters and your pliers, you'll need to have round nose pliers also. So now take the pliers and then hold the wires and then just bend it. And then put the wire in between round nose pliers and hold on to it. Bring the wire over the top barrel. Remove the top barrel. Put the bottom barrel in the loop. And then bring this working wire, or the wire around. So now you have a loop. Now to finish this off, normally we would hold on to it and then wrap the wires around. Cut and tuck. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble this. I have 3 of the yellow made, and then I have 5 of the Silverline orange, and that's shaded with the matte orange. And we'll be attaching the earrings to chain, and I already have 2 lengths already cut here, and it's about a little over 1 inch or so. And for me, the chain that I'm using, I have like 10 links. So it really depends on how big or small your links are. But for me, I have about 10 links. Now I'm going to show you how to attach this one, and you can only use this method if there are cuts in your links. And you can only use this method if there are cuts in your links. You can't use this method if there aren't any. So we take 2 pairs of pliers. Now when opening the links here, you want to hold on to them with 2 pliers, and then take one of the pliers and have one move towards you and have one turn away. And then you just hook this on and then close it. Now I'm going to show you how to attach them on if you have closed links. And you just want to do it, you just want to lay it out to see where it looks best. So do I want it here or do I want it here? Right, so just as you are looking at it, your links may be different than mine, so you may want it at a different spot. So the 4th link is where I want mine to be. Or every 3rd link, 3rd or 4th. So it just lays nicely right above the leaf here. All right, so now take your pliers and hold on to the loop and then just wrap. You need to do maybe around 2 or 3 times. Cut, and then tuck. Now I'm going to put another unit right on the same link here, just right across from the first one. And I prefer this method even if I have open links that I can open. I just like this more. But you may prefer to just open your links and put the finished units on there. Just you do you. Now I'm going to put another 2 more leaves right on this link here. It is the 4th link up from this link here. So I finished attaching the leaves here, and then I also attached the leaves towards the top here. And I'm going to attach an ear wire right here. You can also add like a jump ring on here, but I'm just going to attach the ear wires. My philosophy with designing is the less findings I have to use, the better. So when I am designing jewelry, I want to use the least amount of findings possible. Now with some of them, you may notice that the back is facing you a bit. You can just kind of hold on and just kind of twist it. So it's more towards the front. If you are opening up your links and attaching it, you may not have that problem. But if you are using the second method, then you may have this problem. But it's an easy fix. You just hold on to it and just twist it. Oops. Which color pair of earrings do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to make more French beaded jewelry and accessories, check out this playlist. Happy beading!